Ay, nikuabudu kama Daudi wa kale. Eh, eh, iko fiti wimbo wako nikioni dira kugosha. Ay, nikuabudu kama Daudi wa kale. Yeah. Ay, shakwa shenda shume. I'll never cease to digitiga kugosha. Ma demo mi site. Mmekuwa mkoaje my people? How have you been? Mkuleto muhana atea. Ino ni show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club na nitoka origi. Leo tunaanza show na ngoma yangu. Tutiriajagia goko na nyimbo ciene no na ndi na rwimbo ndarutire 8 years ago. Nitakusifu. Baby, this is the first song I ever recorded. Day high school. Rone rwimbo rwakwa rwa mbere fiu da record day high school. And I thought umuthi niki tutangigwa rwimbo rwakwa 8 years ago. I'll never cease to, cause you're so merciful. Nimechaka baba. Woko ni kwa Kikuyu Gossip Club na niye kwa holiday kule mana wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Kodo guo the holiday na omo the Friday. Feel good Friday. We have had the whole week to take it a show na enjoy omothe to kwa to gechambu ama maundu maria mothe mahanekete wiki ngima. But in the meantime bado nataka tu musikize ngoma I'll never cease to praise you. Dio ni hadate ile njira. Sijini hapa nilipotelea njia Javeri kwa sababu dainaga gospel kereu. No nitorali na director nego tarweboro ge very soon to inake. So mungoje something else very new. Very new. Drona kule mwana wa Facebook to inado ge muno kule mwana wa YouTube to inado na demo ho na njira yagete. Agikoro mwana wa Facebook ugato subscribe ra, agikoro mwana wa TikTok uga subscribe na agikoro mwana wa Facebook ugato follow na ugathi kule mwana wa YouTube. Yani ugeka subscription that tudina bere owega. Tunaendelea fiti sana. Na omothi ate omothi twina story nyingi muno iria tuko tukiareria by the way na tutathiete na mbere dreda hena ga story ke yumiria quick fast hena Mathira declaration ndio kani mwigeta story yothe teyo Mathira declaration kora twikati muthenya wa rucio reke njuge tondu ru he andu mekuona video ino ru rucio muthenya wa umuthi kwina Mathira declaration kora twikate kwina handshake ya Uhuru na Ruto no tugietereire tuone uria guguthi na uria gukorwo no that is what is happening right now. Aside that tuko tukiaria uhoro wa Gachagua impeachment na andu ari yake Reverend Maina wa OTC tuko tukiaria uhoro wa Njoki na MC Chris uhoro unyitithetie gwatira na njira nene muno guku online coke turia uhoro wa Kiengei na Bishop Ben na Moses Kuria. No bere yo dio kani mwigwete uri andu marakua. People are dying at a very alarming rate. Andu marakua na njira nene muno uratukira o muthenya news ine ni urakora 3 people murdered na ni ikuo cia kiriga na ni story manze inaleta a lot of reactions. Sena MCA ona dari aroneka kuri ari inasemekana bado hajajulikana kwenye yako na hena atumia kuma Isli maroragirwo na njira ya kiriga kuria tutoi niko kuria mwena wa Isli walipatikana different areas. Kwa tukiongelea story pia soke turore uhoro wa respect na Mathira declaration no director ajikirire how poster ya Mathira declaration na ndenda guthomere Mathira declaration in full nigetha mumenye Mathira declaration turamaanisha kitu kiugo guo. It is something that has already been planned and it is already kicking off in a very alarming way. Onani da makata metha na ndenda muthomere Mathira declaration haria uria kurathi na mbere. The whole document of the Mathira declaration Mathira declaration kura tukati ni even ni msafara ukora kuria Mathira na inasema 26th October 2024 this weekend marks a historic moment for Kenyan politics. The Uhuru handshake, a former president Uhuru Kenyatta and President William Ruto unite once again following the impeachment of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Their coalition will be formalized through the Mathira declaration, which sets the record straight on key issues. Number 1, Gachagua's impeachment is about accountability, not ethnicity. That is Mathira declaration number 1. ate kuhagurwo kwa Gachagua ti ate ni undu wa kumena agikuyu ni undu wa accountability magathi na mbere hau na kuga let it be clear, this was not an attack on the gamer community or the Kikuyus. This was about one man and his conduct. The mountain remains strong and its people deserve leadership that prioritizes progress over division. Haria makiuga ati Mathira declaration maundu maria number 1 magukoro makirerio ni makuonia andu a Murima kana andu a Mount Kenya ati Gachagua being impeached has nothing to do with hating Kikuyus. Ugo naguo Mathira declaration irauga. Na number 2, development is still coming to the mountain. The future of central Kenya is brighter than ever. We are committed to ensuring roads, schools, hospitals and businesses continue to flourish. The mountain will not be left behind. Mathira declaration number 2. And now Mathira declaration number 3. BBI revisited. It's time to actualize NADCO. This is about empowering all Kenyans and ensuring fair representation and equitable development for every region. Yani udoria urageria kuonio hari Mathira declaration ni kuga ati maundu maya mothe marahana ta mara affect andu akirima kana marahana ta mara attack andu akirima. It is not that way. Na Mathira declaration marauga ati muthenya wa umuthi tukore tariki 26 riu already to nitatu umuthi kukishafika usiku ni kesho. Muthenya wa umuthi msafara ucio mai gukorwo naguo ugukorwo wa kuonia Kenya kana andu a Mount Kenya ati this is not about attacking Mount Kenya, it's about accountability. Na ati maendeleo no meguthi na mbere na kurehwo kirima. Me sijui what you guys think about this story. Tuona te atongoria aiganona ni makomenteire uhoro uyu. Nataka nikusomea some of the leaders Mount Kenya. Atongoria tui Mount Kenya aria mangiaria ntumenyaga ucio ni murugamo wa Mount Kenya kana ni murugamo wa Uhuru. Sabina Chege ekwandikite ati Rigathi is wasting time in the courts. The deed is done. Now Ruto is and his brother Uhuru can come back together. Yone ndomereria Sabina Chege muthenya wa umuthi. Nake Mwangi Kiunjuri augire I support reconciliation between Uhuru Kenyatta and William Ruto. This is what the country needs. 25th October 2024. Nake Kabando wa Kabando ni mwe ni mutatimana na muno. Augire many people know that Kindiki was the original choice for the mountain. Now all is well. Aya all the nedu arema confirm it na makauga ati muthenya wa date 26 October ni makeyumeria hau Mathira declaration. Na lastly but not least Jaba ya Muranga etagwo Mwangi wa Iria ni areketie kuga hari ati it is true there was an imbalance in the mountain. Rigathi was causing problems. We have been offered a reset opportunity with Kindiki. Acio ni atongoria a kirima aria tui megukorwo muthenya wa tariki 26 October haria Mathira declaration. What do you guys think about the Mathira declaration? Hihi we ukirora Mathira declaration, do you think it is directed to affect the former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua? We ukirora ri ihana tari ira ni kama ina directiwa gukorwo iki affect Gachagua kana kurathi atia? I don't know what you guys think about that story. Na muthenya wa tariki 26 October toga to komerifata tari umuthi muthenya wa umuthi na muthenya niguo gukorona the Mathira declaration ni birthday ya former president Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Na nikio kuratuka ati ni gukorona haria na Mathira declaration na handshake ya Uhuru na Ruto. Tutire turamenya uria guguthi hau na mbere no. That is what we are hearing. That is what macio no maundu maria turaigua haria ndengira kuria X ngona #Uhuruto handshake ngona #Mathira declaration na ndathoma muno drona ta gugukorwo na handshake ya Uhuru na Ruto. Hihi kungikorwo na handshake no ri igi affect atia kirima igi affect atia Gachagua gukorwo ekuri igoti-ini aking'ang'ana gucokio eta DP? How is it going to affect? Na nyanda ojire hau ino etagwo show ya Kikuyu Gossip Club ukurikwa tumwiraga mohoro ota uria mareyumiria na umuthi ndamwira ni mwoki maundu ni maingi muno na ona gugithiaga o uguo na ona maundu macio mothe magibangagwo the deputy president former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua, the impeached deputy president Rigathi Gachagua, cira wake na urathi na mbere hari igoti-ini na umuthi the three bench judges aria wakiri Gachagua marugite ati they were not legally constituted ni marekirie hari kuruta ndumiriri na mauga ati they are not going to step down from the case and that they were legally constituted na ati acio nio megukorwo makirumirira kana make ruling on that case. Na haria torekia kuona Ndegwa Njiro after that ruling ni arekirie kuga ati there is no way onakorwo ugo niguo gwathie there is no way Kindiki is going to be sworn in as the next deputy president because they are kwina conservatory orders. Bado kwina conservatory orders kuma kuria igoti inene ria Tharaka-Nithi ria go stop Kindiki akorwo akiapishwo na ona gugithiaga o uguo. That's a very big blow to Gachagua. Bado ntonire dagitari wake wada akuria Karen Hospital ni ayumiririe na arekia gukiuga Gachagua arwarite ha hindi iria akitwarirwo thibitari na ino ni ndumiriri iria arekereirie. Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has been diagnosed with Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, commonly known as broken heart syndrome. This condition affects the heart ability to pump efficiently by weakening the left ventricle, the main pumping chamber. Kuratuika ati uria Deputy President Muhagure Rigathi Gachagua akoretwo riria ari thibitari na tukirwo ni severe chest pains, arwarite ndwari ya heartbreak, broken heart iria igiragia affectagia thakame gukorwo igipampo mwiri-ini and it is something that is raising a lot of reactions right now tondu kuratwika ati Gachagua kiria gitumite akorwo uguo ni undu wa uguo akoretwo akirugwo gi siasa kana akirugio deal gi siasa kuna ati akingirire haria eta deputy president na thaici ahaguritwo with the support of the sitting president, that is William Ruto, na andu magakiuria meni ai bana jameni kuona kauruma kidogo rais mtukufu rais. Naona kuri uguo bado no turona haria hena Mathira declaration twakiuria niki kirathi na mbere, what is going on? What do you guys think about that story by the way? Na ndwari no ya Gachagua because it is something that we might take it lightly, not worth ari kaundo raithi muno no ni kaundo very serious na very alarming. Ndio maoni maku megie uhoro uyu ungienda no comment hau utuire maoni maku megie uhoro ucio. On that note, hena muhunjia wetagwo Reverend Miana wa OTC. This reverend has been preaching, akoretwo agikira makonia ever since die kumari, akoretwo agikira makonia na akihoera bururi na njira nene muno, and for quite some time tukoretwo tukimwera tari joke, tumekuwa tukimchukulia kama joke for quite some time. Akoretwo akiruta urathi wa bururi no ithuĩ tukasio from I think Uhuru's era as president, akoretwo akiruta urathi wa siasa na urathi wa bururi uria ufati gukorwo gugithie atongoria kiria mafati gwika nigetha bururi ukorwo wi sawa, and people have been assuming him. Ni akoretwo na ndumiriri ya Uhuru no ndari amukinyira, ni akoretwo na ndumiriri ya Ruto, ndumiriri ya Gachagua, ndumiriri ya atongoria aingi muno no ndari amakinyira. Now uhoro wake ukite kugutha nenda cia ukinyaniria na njira nene muno riri Gachagua arikia kuhagurwo, na nirio tuona tu video tuingi muno to Reverend Miana wa OTC akiaria kana akiwon a Kenya na akiwon atongoria kuhusu the impeachment kana kuhitania kwa Ruto na Gachagua, and people were assuming ando maugaga ucio no kakara, ucio no kuhenia andu, ucio no such sorts of things, and right now niguo andu maramenya it might be true. Mundu ne ugite maundu maingi muno no magoka kuhinga, ne ugite Ruto na Gachagua ne makahitania a lot of things. Ungirora video ciake cia tene ni ukuona ni maundu maingi muno anauga na makahinga, na tha ici ni ayumiritie na kauga ati mugambo wa Ngai wina Gachagua, mugambo wa Ngai wina Gachagua, nake Kindiki ni ekurira muno aingira gite kiu kia deputy president. Is this something we need to assume? Mundu ne ugite maundu maingi muno no makahinga no auge undu na wage kuhinga, but Can we assume this? Not to assume odoyo. Me, I don't know what you guys think about this story, but Motugateri yo ni akoreto akiaria maudo. Makoreto maki raise a lot of reactions. Hena video dreada tuthakirwo haha nigetha muone akiuga warning kurega the incoming deputy president Rigathi Gachagua. Aiko director no korona video no atoke no atoigwe tokenete muno tondu die kana wonete reverend ucio die kana wonete reverend ucio director kwanza
no aigwira gethure kidiki
mbona icheze
kontere kaire hari no Hey. Okay. Mudikira. Oh no.
Aigwira
gethure kidiki. Hari
gwiciria ni muigwa video yo na ni muigwa ndumiriri
wera gethure kidikitho hari ere Hey. Mudikira.
Iyo niyo agikorwo ni ukoretwo ukirora Reverend Maina wa OTC lately ni akoretwo attract attention na njira nene muno. Why? Because maundu maria augaga tene ni maroka kuhinga. Now are we going to assume this time? Tuamini ama tuache? Tumwitikika tutige. Na bethe ena harambia arabanga haria ya kurikia kanitha yake. I don't know if that is related to the prophecies he's giving or ni maundu. Mama tona muona ginya na ngonia ekirete ngonia akihoera bururi. And we really hope oyo niwe mutha witu tha ici twita Kenya tondu tha ici Kenya ina maundu maingi muno ta bomb. Tha ici Kenya turagio ni maundu maingi muno, and we really hope that ucio niwe mutha uria tutumirwo ni Ngai na ni guturehera maundu maingi muno maria tungikorwo tukienda ta bururi. Now nigetha turikie na maundu ma siasa na maundu ma tati fio ndera tuigire hari tweet irarikire kwandikwo ni Moses Kuria recently. Ni ararikire tweet haria na irakorwo ikirongoreria one of the bishops in Mount Kenya. Bishop umwe era ni bishop ogwitwo Bishop Ben kana Muthe Kiengei. Moses Kuria ni ararikire haria na arandika ati fake Bishop Kiengei line that churches will be required to submit summons to some authorities in advance. Surely, which church can have lies as this foundation? Jambazi Chamber of Money. Nie thaici nie dioi niki Moses Kuria moranagia na Bazu. I don't know. Nie dioi. Na dioi kani moe niki Bishop Ben araugete kuhusu this story that Moses Kuria is saying. Dedudha comb me please nie dio inete araugite. But in case of anything hena story rakoretwo ya ahujia akiabu na walikuwa na complain because of intimidation by state agencies. Marauga ati mashifu ni maratumwo na borithi wanaitangwa aje wa polisi wa Karai. Borithi aya makorwo na ngofia hana Karai ni maratumwo makanitha na magikara kuria thutha in a way that is intimidating them. And me ngeciria this story has emanated from that. I don't know nie dio kana Bishop Ben yarareririe horo cio tondu ngwiciria ni arareririe tondu ni horo rahusu Kiambu. I think that is where this story started. Na turona Moses Kuria hare andika ndumiriri nie dio beef ino ya Moses Kuria na Bishop Ben yaumire ko, but it seems to be a bitter one. Seems to be a very bitter one. Very bitter. Fake Bishop Kiengei. Very direct to the point. Ona ukariguo kakurathi ati fake bishop Kengei lying that churches will be required to submit sermons to some authorities in advance. Surely, which church have lies as its foundation? Jambazi chambers of money. What could be the problem? Shida ni nini jameni? Ugikoro owe niki kirathi na mbere gatagati ka Bishop Ben na Moses Kuria ugejira no jigwe wega muno, but I think we need to have a balance between church and politics. As much as politics needs the church and the church needs politics, there need to be a very well set boundary. Ne hafati gukoro na boundary nene muno ati you can't just come as a politician and start throwing words at someone who has been poured for oil. Modo maitiriria maguta no gwato ne kerumi, unaweza pato na kitusi urudi tena kutembea na nini. Na wamenya Moses Kuria he hedi athi yakiria he hedi ekite ate maguru maguta mateyo ni onakoro neguga maguta mateyo haha riu onakoro riu ri. But anyway, mundu ugikora owe niki kirathi na mbere hau no ngena muno unginjira na mundu ugikora bado owe beef ino ya Moses Kuria na Bishop Ben yajirie ha unginjira bado no ngena muno. Ndronire recently kwina event ya Malaika concert launch, album launch ya Prince Inda. Haria mehaririria Moses Kuria magethime na Karash na Ngarosh. Haria korora ko inspect na makiuga ati ko ni mehaririria ma swearing in ya Kindiki. Na andu kuri comment section ni makira Karangu we othiana iria cia rurumari utondu ni waigua ati Kindiki ni aracuyo ina ni uramenya Gachagua ni murata wa Bazu ni kio we hau koguo kwina ka difference kati ya we na Bazu the same way hena ka difference kati ya Bazu na Moses Kuria hena ga story takau no hangikorwo hena mundu owi no ngena muno ingeigua mucene ucio na menya uria kurathi na mbere. Anyway, Qatar Doha tukondani, I really appreciate that support. Na ngai akurathima muno we urathi na mbere na kwirorera show ino ya Kikuyu Gossip Club goko ni njitagwo Holy J kuri mana wa YouTube, TikTok na Facebook. Ungethi na mbere na kunifollow na kunisubscribe na gweka maundu macio mothe no njigwa ndi mundu umwe mukenu muno. Today is a feel good Friday. No bado hena story imwe ya MC Chris. MC Chris nyeregete guthi gwika kamushango fulani. Niregete guthi gwika kamushango fulani haria na in the process kuria live TikTok mwiretu ucio akiyumiri na akiuga ati hena bishop okaga Inoro TV na bishop ucio ni amutekeire advantage na akiaria we maundu haria mari maundu we maragutigana cioria nyingi muno. Na haria comment section ine andu makigweta bishop umwe ugwetwo Bishop Paul Wanderi, etagwo Paul Wanderi kana Joire to Wanderi, Michael Wanderi or Paul Wanderi, bora ni Wanderi akigweta Bishop Wanderi na uhoro ucio ukirehe thina muno industry ni andu makienda kumenya why will such a bishop do something like that. Nigeko kia unyamu muno mundu mwitiriria maguta ta bishop agika maundu ta macio na Akenya marari na ciuria nyingi muno makiurania who did that. Na agi magikuira bishop ucio no the following day kureyumiria uhoro na Bishop Ben Tronire ni rapostire Karangu ni rapostire all the magitetera Bishop Wanderi na marauga tiwe. But the main question that I have any data modu, should we be focusing on who did not do that or who did that? After Bishop ucio kogwetwo ri tufati goka kwirwo the next statement tufati kwirwo ni ti ucio kana ni uyu ti ucio, because tufati gukorwo twiritwo riu no tiko kagutwira ati ti uyu and after that nituonete MC Chris ni athiete okuri mwiritu ucio nigetha makorwo magitheria uhoro ucio na kuga ati gutheria uhoro ucio na kuga ati ti Bishop Wanderi urekire maundu macio. Mimi I don't know what you guys think about that story. No ndena video ndrenda kumuthakira hau mukorwo mukimeona nigetha muone mwiritu ucio uria aratheririe ngori iyo na arauga ati the person who did that is not Bishop Wanderi. Director ugikorwo na video ni ingi.
So hello guys,
because Kenya
once again
have a lot
MC
of
Chris Jr.
Akenya mena ciuria nyingi muno na muno andu a Kiambu na andu aria meroragira mabishofu ma Inoro TV aria magitagwo kuria Inoro TV nigetha makorwo makihe andu kiugo na gutara andu na kumahe mwihoko wa muturire. We really want to know what happened. Draigua MC Chris ni akugaga ati ni ahuri